Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So to get the X-Icon Changer app, we should first open the app gallery and in the search pool enter the X-Icon Changer. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Here you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. Select one from the available apps. Tap to edit icon if you want to rename it. In library section we get folders with different icons which we could use. Also we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. Let's select one the similar to the calculator icon. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should skip the add, so tap to X icon, tap to add calculator shortcut created. We could go to desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check the calculator icon and let's check the default one. So this is their regular icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.